in this video, we will be looking at the Hindu-Arabic system. Now, the Hindu-Arabic system was developed as early as 200 AD, and it was developed by the Hindus, who are Indians. Okay, so it was developed by the Hindus, and this Hindu-Arabic system has numbers or symbols from 1 right up to 9. Okay, so 1 right up to 1 to 9. So we have the dash, we have the double dash, we have the triple dash. So this dashes represent from 1 right up to 3, and then we have the plus and minus sign, or the dash and the plus sign, which represents the number 4, and then we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we have the sign which looks like the question mark sign, which represents 9. Now this system did not have the 0 symbol initially. Okay, it was later on that the 0 symbol was developed. Okay, so the 0 symbol, okay, so if I brought my 0, was developed, and it was represented by the dot sign. Okay, so the 0 symbol was represented by the dot sign. So another thing to note about the Hindu-Arabic system is that it gives provision for what we refer to as place value. Okay, it gives provision for place value. Okay, so what is place value? Let's take, for instance, we have example. Let's say we have 9,064. Okay, we have 9,064, and then let's say we also have 9,406. Now, the value of 4 in 9,064 is not the same as the value of 4 in 9,406. They are completely different. Okay, the value of 4 here represents 4 units. Okay, a unit like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, while the value of 4 here represents 4 hundredths. Okay, so there are two different things. So this Hindu-Arabic system makes provision for what we refer to as place value. Okay, so that is one important part of the Hindu-Arabic system. Later on in our coming videos, we will be looking at what place value system is, and we'll explain more on what place value means. But from this little explanation, you should have an idea of what place value means. So the 4 in this number is not the same as the 4 we have here. All right, so they are completely different. Here in 9,064, the 4 here is 4 units, while the 4 in 9,406 represents 400. So that is what we refer to as place value. Now, if we are to represent, let me delete this, erase this. So let's say we want to represent 9,064 in the Hindu-Arabic system. How are we going to represent that? Now, 9 stands for this symbol, okay? And then we have 0, which we said represent the dot. Then we have 6, 6 is 6, while the dash and then the plus sign stands for the symbol 4, okay? So here, 9,406 will be represented by this, okay, and then we have the dash, and then we have the plus sign, and then we have the dot, and finally we have the 6. So this is how the Hindu-Arabic system will represent these numbers. All right, let's see some more examples. Let me erase this. Further examples now. Let's say we have 200. Let's see, 203. Okay, so how will we represent it in the Hindu-Arabic system? So 203 will be represented by, we have the double dash, and then we have the dot, and then we have the triple dash. As simple as that. Okay. How about, let's see, yes, okay. So 9,876 in the Hindu-Arabic system. So 9,000, so we have 9, then we have 8, we have 7, Okay, 7. We have 6. So when you see this, you realize that it looks almost similar to what we have in our present day system. And actually, our present day system is sometimes referred to as a Hindu Arabic system because it takes some of the principles of the Hindu Arabic system, such as the place value and other principles that the Hindu Arabic system also have. Okay, so it is like an adoption. Okay, it's like a refinement of the Hindu Arabic system. All right, so how about, let's see, what if we want to transcribe from the Hindu Arabic system to our present day system? So let's say we have take my pen. Let's say we have 2, 3, okay. Then we have this. Then we have this. Okay. If we are to represent this in the Hindu Arabic system, okay, let me add this. All right. If we are to represent this in our current day system, what would that be? So this will represent this is 3, this is 1, this is 3, and then this is 4. Okay, so that will be 3,134. Now, how about if we have another example? Let's say this. Say we have this. Let's say 5, 6 in our current day system. So that will be 1. Then we'll have 2. We have 9. Okay. And then we have 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So that will be, we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that will be 129,456. Okay. So that is how that will be represented in the Hindu Arabic system. So it is a very interesting system. Okay, the Hindu Arabic system is a very interesting system, quite similar to what we have today, and it's very interesting. It's very interesting. So you can practice it and look at it and do some more research and find out some other similarities you could find with our present day system. All right, so that is that for this video. See you in the next video.